So 3x plus 1 equals 49. Let's go ahead and subtract the 1. Three x equals 48. Divide both sides by 3. And you should get, go ahead, pick up your calculator, see what you get for x. All right, who got 16? All right, so we know x is 16. Let's put that here. Now we need to find our y variable. So we're going to set this. Because it's equilateral, this also equals 49. So let's solve that for y. So 18y minus 41 equals 49. So we're going to add 41. Go ahead, pick up your calculators, take 49 plus 41. That should give you 90. Divide both sides by 18. So 90 divided by 18. What did you all get? 5. Who got 5? Okay, so now let's go ahead and find the other two sides. Now they should equal 49, but let's verify it. So let's go ahead and take for our first side, which is BC. Oops. BC, which is this side right here. And that uses x. So let's figure out the length of side BC. So side BC is 3x plus 1. And that would be 3 times 16 plus 1. So verifying your calculators that does give you 49. It should be 49, but type it in your calculator and make sure. And you should have got 49, so that would be this one. And then lastly, for AC, AC goes from here to here. So let's figure out the length of AC. So AC equals 18 y minus 41. Well, we figured out that y is 5, so that would be 18 times 5 minus 41. Go ahead and make sure that that is also 49. Who got 49? And that makes sense because it said it was equilateral. And if it's equilateral, all three sides will be the same. So if AB is 49, then BC will be 49, and so will AC. So that's an equilateral triangle. So now let's talk about isosceles. For an isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal. So it's telling us that DE, so this is DE, is equal to EF. So we're going to set those two sides that you see highlighted, set them equal to each other. So go ahead and take 8x minus 13, set that equal to 5x plus 17. Let's go ahead and solve that for x. So we subtract 5x. And then what would be my next step? Add 13, yep. So 17 plus 13 would be, what's 17 plus 13? 30. And what's our last step? Divide by 3. So what does x equal? All right, so we figured that out. So now we're going to use that to find the length of all three sides. So let's start off with DE. So DE, that's here, and that's here. So for DE equals 8x minus 13. So that would be 8 times 10 minus 13. Go ahead, type that in your calculator. And what did you all get for DE? 67. Anybody else get 67? Anyone not get 67? Okay, so 67. So next we have the EF. So that's this side. Let's go ahead and figure out what that length is. EF is 5x plus 17. So that would be 5 times 10 plus 17. Go ahead and type that in. Now you should get the same answer that you got for DE. EF should also be the same as DE. So 5 times 10 plus 17 is also 67. So we're doing good. And then our last side at the bottom is DF. So let's find DF. DF is x plus 21. And again, we figured out that x is 10. So that would be 10 plus 21. And that would be 31. So the main thing to keep in mind when we do these, you do have a very short, easy quiz a week from today. Just remember, and this is going to be erased. Equilateral, all three sides are the same. Isosceles, only two sides are the same. If it's isosceles, they have to tell you what two sides are the same now. And this is what the very short video yesterday was over that I asked you all to watch. All right, so now let's go ahead. We got two more. So we have our isosceles triangle again. So the tricky part is figuring out which two of these expressions we're going to set equal to each other. So WX, that's this side, is congruent to or equal to XY, which is this side. So let's start off by setting those two sides equal to each other. Go ahead and solve that for X. What you all get for x? Isaiah?
27.
Anyone else get 27? Oh, good. Let's go ahead and verify it. So we're subtracting the 3x. And then we're adding 77. And when you divide both sides by 3, we do get x equals 27. All right, so now let's find the length of all 3 sides. So let me go ahead and pull that up. So we'll start off with wx. So wx says 6x minus 77. And we said that x was 27. So go ahead and type this in your calculator. Take 6 times 27 minus 77. Jaden, did you get a number? 6 times 27 minus 77? 85. Anybody else get 85? I don't have a calculator. All right. And then for xy, it should be the same, but it's always a good idea to check it. You have 3x plus 4. So that would be 3 times 27 plus 4. Go ahead and type that in. Make sure you get 85. 3 parentheses 27 parentheses plus 4. We got 85 again? All right, good. That means we can be confident that we're doing it right because it's isosceles, so 2 sides should be the same. All right, our last side, WY, that one should be different. WY is 5x minus 31. So that would be 5 times 27 minus 31. Go ahead, type that in. Somebody besides Isaiah, maybe somebody from this side of the room. What y'all get? What'd you say, Xavier? 104? Anybody else get 104? All right, right on. Any questions about how we did that? Pretty simple, right? All right, our last one, and then we'll be finished. You'll have the rest of the time to work on homework 1, which is due tomorrow. So this is equilateral. So it doesn't matter which 2 sides we choose. So we can set this equal to this, or we can set these 2 sides equal to each other. You just need to pick any 2 sides that you want to choose and set them equal to each other and solve for x. I think I'm going to use these 2 sides so I can be different than what I did first period. So 10x minus 6 is the 2 sides I'm using, equals 7x plus 18. Go ahead and solve that for x. All right, who got x equals 8? All right, let's go ahead and check our 3 sides. Now, they should all be the same, but we'll verify it and make sure. But each side should be the same because it's equilateral. So I'm going to check all 3 sides. So let's start off with RS. So let's check it. So RS is 12x minus 22. So pick up your calculator. Type in 12 times 8 minus 22. What'd you say, Juan? 74. Anybody else get 74? I don't have a calculator, so I'm trusting y'all. Okay. So if our calculation is right with x, the other two sides should also be 74. So let's verify that. So let's do RT. So RT is 7x plus 18. So that would be 7 times 8 plus 18. Go ahead and type that in your calculator. You got 74? All right, last one would be this side here. I didn't hear you. Oh, yeah, I sure did. Thank you. Let me move that down. RT goes here. RT is 74. And RS is 74 now. So now we're going to do ST. So let's do ST. So that would be here. So ST is 10x minus 6. So we're going to do 10 times 8 minus 6. And you should get 74. Any questions about our lesson? Tomorrow we're going to finish out the unit. So homework 1, can you write is due tomorrow? Go ahead and take out homework 1. I want to look at it with you all real quick.